Nuh-uh.
Yeah, I'll bet you a crisp high five, I beat you. Looks like we found ourselves a Sam Squanch. They sure are ugly. Most elusive creatures known to man. What is it, girl? Did Timmy fall down the well? Yeah? This is a fighter. There's knots all over it. There we go. One of these little guys. Okay, that's enough. One of my favorite things to do besides cooking food, not only for myself, but for other people, because that's what really makes the whole experience the most enjoyable, is making a good, proper mixed drink. So, tonight I'm going to make a whiskey sour for my friends who are sitting outside. And hopefully, their reactions will be of a positive note. Because I am of the firm belief that I make one of the best whiskey sours ever. And I know, I'm sorry, that sounds kind of egomaniacal or egotistical, but I learned this recipe from a bona fide mixologist. Ooh. Which is, in my opinion, just another name for a bartender, but I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. It's relatively simple. So all you have to do is start out with ice. I forgot about ice already. And then you take about 1/3 of an ounce of some agave nectar, 2 shots of rye whiskey. Now I personally prefer a rye over a bourbon because it gives a little bit of a spiciness to the whiskey sour. After that, a lemon. Normally you want to use about a shot, 1 ounce of lemon, but I am running a little bit low on lemon, so 1/2 of a lemon, a decent sized lemon, is right around 5/8 to 3/4 of an ounce. I apologize to all the people that don't use the correct system for measuring. Maybe I'll include that here. It's going to take some serious math to be able to figure out what 5/8 is compared to the metric system. Here is the most important part. A proper whiskey sour uses egg white. Now I thought about making Eggs Benedict tomorrow to utilize those egg yolks, but Zeta was a pretty good dog today, so she's going to get a little bit of a treat tonight. Oh, I almost forgot. Get yourself some good bourbon-soaked cherries. After that, shake for 20 seconds vigorously. There we go. I lost the cap to my damn shaker. After that, I like to keep them dirty. A lot of people like to pour them over fresh ice. I personally don't care. And then repeat times 3. Let's see how the guys like it out there. Beautiful night out. Beautiful. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Larry. All right. Let's see if it worked.
What worked? What do we...
If my whiskey sour is the best whiskey sour ever.
Okay. Excuse me. It's just mine. It's mine. I'll give it to you. Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Cool.
Tell there's a lot of alcohol in that.
Yeah, if you let it.
Tastes real good by the end of it.
Well, there you have it, folks. I'm winning. Oh my Lanta. Is it that time? You sure are looking at me like you really, really want something from me, don't you? Do you want something from me? Maybe it has something to do with the thing that you always get when you smell bourbon on my breath. Oh, yes, is that it? Is that it, huh? You want some delicious egg yolks, huh? Okay, move. Here we go. Here you go, girl. Well, it was a really enjoyable night. Anyways, it is 11:30 at night, and I'm pretty tuckered out. We had a good, fun conversation, and some nice camaraderie around the campfire. So I'll see you in the morning. It's another beautiful day here in Moab, Utah, and it just so happens that this guy right here decided to come and pay a visit. This is Larry, of course. His channel name is Work Less, Enjoy More.
Work less, enjoy life more.
Yes,
Yeah,
Work Less, Enjoy Life More.
I could have picked a longer name, but...
So yeah, we're just hanging out here in Utah, and we're gonna go up the mountain here, and we found a lake yesterday when collecting firewood, and we're gonna go and do some fishing. And I'm pretty sure that we're gonna catch something.
I have a good feeling. I have a good feeling this
I do too. Really good feeling. We have all the cameras. That's right. Woo! Yay! Woo! Oh. This is when I wish we could actually have copyrighted music. Because wouldn't that be so cool coming up there? Yeah!
Oh man, look at that. There's already fish jumping. We're gonna get some fish. You know I'm gonna catch fish for you though.
No, I think I'm gonna get you.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, I'll bet you a crisp high five, I beat you. So all the fish are gonna see us. Oh! Yeah, oh, dude, I had it. Looks like we found ourselves a Sam Squinch. He's fishing. He's right over there. I can see him. They sure are ugly. Most elusive creatures known to man. Hey Larry, would you say it's safe to say that we're both not fishermen?
Yeah, I think that's safe to say. Official fly fishing stance. I did catch one fish though.
You did?
Yeah.
No way.
I got it out of the water. He was maybe that big.
Oh.
But I wish I had a net. He just got off before I can grab him.
Well, that's better than me.
Yeah, how many did you catch?
I caught a bunch on film. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it's just because I'm from Minnesota. Just.
That's probably why.
Yeah. Apparently Minnesotans can't catch anything.
Yeah. I haven't heard of one.
Not even one.
That could catch anything.
Yeah, not one YouTuber that is.
Yeah.
Fortunately, my friend, who is only going to be known as Jay, is bringing us back some chicken sandwiches from Moab Brewery. So we're gonna hurry down the hill and indulge.
Yeah. Can't wait.
Bye. Okay. Bye.
Toodles. Look at this pretty ride. It's nice and clean and organized in there, but
Yes, very much so.
this is not meant for fishing trips, I don't think. Is it?
Fishing trips? What do you? This bad boy right here is 100% utility.
Uh-huh.
Definitely more utilitarian than my 6x6.
Look at this. This is the trunk right here.
Yep.
Goes down about 4 inches.
Use centimeters, it'll sound bigger.
8 centimeters.
Oh, yeah, about 8 centimeters. 7 centimeters, 1/2. I think that's how a lot of foreign countries will say things like that. There is something to be said about the concept of your channel, though, because I'm a firm believer in finding the perfect, balance between enjoying myself and, having toys here and there. But then all of a sudden, when work dries up and now I have all these bills.
Do I feel like a big I told you so coming? Or?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, very much so.
I'm just kidding.
So,
I know, man. Lived that too many times. Payment can't be more than 50, 60 bucks a month, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
50, 60
It was
bucks a month for the next
on sale for probably $1,500, like brand new.
$50, $60 a month for the next 300 years. With 30% interest.
All right, you got this packed up?
Oh, I'm getting pretty close.
What we got in here? 3 things in the trunk now.
I know. I might have to put some air in the airbags. She's getting loaded down.
It's like going fishing in a Ferrari or something, where you just got enough for like one bag in the front.
Completely practical.
Yeah. But hey, we got here in record time.
Yes. Yep. We might not be able to haul much, but we can get there really fast.
This thing got 4 or 5 horsepower,
or? It's got a Briggs and Stratton.
A lawnmower engine?
6.5 horsepower. Carbureted, of course.
Oh yeah.
We had to rejet it. We had to rejet it on the way up here. Shit. We've got 4 minutes to get down the lake. Or we've got 4 minutes to get down the hill. No, there's no rush.
It's just down there. 2 minutes to spare.
It's just that our chicken sandwiches won't quite taste as good.
No, I got a microwave. You got a microwave?
How dare you? How dare you ask me such a question? I am an Epicurean.
I'm sorry.
Saying
got medicine, I think, for that now.
Microwaves are blasphemous. That is heresy.
So you like to put everything in plastic totes and Tupperware and microwave it? Is that what that means?
Very fancy, yes.
Yeah.
The more plastic it tastes, the better.
Yeah. Make sure it doesn't say microwavable safe.
Yes, exactly.
That's overrated.
I saw this one cookbook that was called, I think it was a meme, and it said the loneliest cookbook, and then it showed a picture of the cookbook, and it said microwaving for one.
You got a link for that?
I want to find it. Yeah. Oh down!
We're only going 8 miles an hour.
Oh God, that's way too fast. Paint's gonna chip off. Well, look who finally came back. He was supposed to be here a half an hour ago, and now he's finally getting back. Maybe he had to take a quick pit stop at the Mustache Wax Emporium and the Skinny Jeans outlet store. Dang van lifers. Oh no! Oh no, he lost some solars. I've been wondering what that... Battery's gonna die quick. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
I like how it has meat in the middle and bread on the outside.
Never had a sandwich like that.
So exotic. Anything bad I may or may have not said earlier about van lifers, I take back.
Action.
And action. Larry gave me one of these sweet stickers here, which I guess I could say you could probably find them on your website, right?
Yeah, merch store.
Yeah. But I got the friend hookup, so I got it for free. So we're gonna put it over here. This is my corner of YouTubers. I'm gonna, yeah, Quack Bang Actual. We got the fat electrician right there.
I only see one. This gonna be the new corner for?
This is, yeah, I just decided this is the official corner for
gotcha.
for YouTubers. So we're gonna put Larry sticker. Just like that. Ooh! Heck yeah. Look at that. Now I'm officially sponsored by Larry. He's giving me a cut of all of his profits now. There we go. Yes, sirree. All right. Thanks, Larry. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for supporting it.
No problem. I'm reserving a spot right here for Truck House Life. But Timmy, we got to meet in person in order for you to be worthy of this spot right here. Down to Mob, you can come around here somewhere. And everybody else that I get the privilege of meeting in person someday.
Where's Kenny of All Trades sticker?
Oh, how could I forget about Kenny? But yes, Kenny, you deserve a spot on the old prestigious water heater right here.
You got a brighter light?
I want you to get... All right, here's your closing. Go for it. Come on, you can do it.
We're just out here having a fire. It's so much fun. Just a real nice, relaxing evening. The wind's about stiff 50 degrees.
Where were you on the 5th of October?
All right, what about side? What about take that light off?
Yeah, I need to find that little condom I have for it because it really helps dull it out. Because this is way too much. It did pick you up really well though. There was no green. And that wasn't even the highest one.
Should be all blown out.
No, it looked great. I swear to God. Well, it's been a great evening. Unfortunately, there's been far too much wind. So, Larry broke out his fancy... Sorry.
Just keep coughing in the background.
Jiminy crickets. Just...
We'll edit that out.
No, I'm not going to. Okay. It's great. Larry's got a great design here where he took an ammo can and filled it full of what appears to be the hardest wood known to mankind because it's been under flame for 3 hours and it still has not caught fire. So that's pretty awesome. Anyway, it's been a great night, aside from the wind. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Why are you sitting like that? Why are you looking like that? What's happening? Huh? Are you broken? Are you a broken doggo? What's the matter? Woo, Nelly.
Tight fit.
She's a bit of a tight fit, yep. Well, folks. Well, I think that's about the end of this video. We're gonna make our way down to a spot that I found a week ago and get out of the wind, hopefully a little bit. And as the temperatures drop, being 800 feet down in elevation, it should help significantly as far as at least giving us a few more degrees of warmth as the cold spell hits. So we'll see you on the next one.